You're tuned back into the coolest car YouTube, man. I'm not even gonna take credit for building the motor. Thomas, Victor, 901 Garage, they knocked it out of the park, man. All my dreams, all my fantasies, they made it come true with the RB20. I'm forever grateful, man. I wanted to just build my dream car with this one, and I'm stoked how it's coming out. Honestly, bro, no more talking. Let's go. Come on. So here it is, my pride and joy. 901, they killed it on this, man. The good old RB20. I don't take any credit for this. 901, they did everything you see. And today is a big day because we're finally taking the RB20, new bearings, Mazworks did the crank, the turbo, Tomei setup, everything, brand new hardware. It's got the 900cc injectors on it, ready for E85, all new coolant hoses, all new belts, all the bells and whistles. This thing should be dead reliable at 350 wheel. AC, good noises, good response, quick spool, everything I could ever want, man. Oh, I'm so excited for this. I got a big surprise for you over here. You're gonna wanna see this. Drum roll, please. Look at that, man. Damn, son.
Where'd you find this?
I found it in Georgia. It was one of the last brand new R34 Neo RB25 transmissions in America. Shout out to homie. He sent me this adapter cross member. This is to run the RB25 transmission in a R32. Back in the day, I would have never dreamed of buying a brand new transmission. At 350 wheel, this thing is gonna live forever, so stoked on that. Alright, yo, little update. Thomas went ahead, he got the flywheel and the clutch all torqued down. ORC is mint, she's on there for good. In a second, we're about to slap the trans on here. One thing to note was the only RB25 transmissions that they still produce brand new is the R34 Neo one. It's actually like the pull type slave cylinder. This clutch looks a little different because this is a pull type clutch. If anyone else is gonna do this route on their RB20, you do have to buy a pull type clutch. The alternative is you can drill and tap the bell housing and you gotta get like a different front plate and a clutch fork. And it can be a push type if you want, but for me, I just opted to buy the pull type clutch and run that. So my whole goal with this car was to kind of do like an OEM plus theme. That's why you see stock intake. Well, I kept the stock cast turbo manifold for reliability's sake. I'm really stoked on this one. It's the Tomei Turbo setup, their turbo lines, blanket, internal gate, everything there. And I even went ahead and got their turbo elbow, man. Get this B-roll, bro. We're officially good to go. The car is ready to run nines. On this episode of Bought Not Built, I have my slave laborers doing it for me. Don't mind us, just 4 guys trying to get in one hole. We tried to go in dry, but it was just excruciating pain. It wasn't gonna work out for the RB20, so we're gonna go ahead and grease up that input shaft, man. It's got a large girth, big diameter, so we're gonna need to apply some grease on it because it's got a lot of friction going on in there.
Put some on the tip.
Biggest critter, bro. I don't fucking even know.
It's a potentiometer.
Oh shit, you caught me again. I just be on my phone and they build it, and then I just post on Instagram like I built it. You found out, whoops.
Actually, it's right there. They did a pull type on a push type thing.
As soon as I got this car, I literally never did a single pull. The factory coil packs, ragged as fuck. We got brand new Anubis coil packs. Hey, welcome back to this new episode of I'm Addicted to Pornhub.
I mean, were they firing or not?
Alright, yo, these fucking tires are from like 1969.
It's been sitting long enough.
We're actually about to air them up and push the car a little bit forward and then drop this fucking motor in. You already know what this means, man. He's leaving the shop. He's about to get some top. New album finna drop. Go ahead, goalie. Go get that shit tonight, bro. Go slay it. Lay some pipe. Always love and respect my goalie. Send! Send! We out here. All right, guys, first start. God damn, we gotta rebuild this shit already. It's a big moment, man. When I pulled this engine out, the engine looked like ass. Just a lot of shit was messed up. Engine bay looked terrible. We fixed so much stuff. We've gotten so much work done in such a short time span. Now it finally goes back together, and this is where the motivation really kicks in. First drive in the R32.
That's pretty good.
No, man, it was a good first drive in the R32. I'm definitely gonna talk to my tuner, Fred Flintstone.
Also
Lift
from
off.
the inside.
Ooh, I took the top off the Maybach. All right, so two quick things that I forgot before we throw the motor in. We actually have this Chase Base power steering kit. Basically, just eliminates all the old bullshit that you see right there. It looks terrible, super dirty, whatever. So right now we're just installing the fittings on the rack. And one other quick thing, we're just gonna install a solid column bushing on the column right there. Just eliminates some play, gives you some more feel.
You didn't know there was paint in there?
Nah, not that works well. This is great. Another car.
Cowabunga. No, you legit just go like, done.
Everything's looking good. Right now, it is currently 10:25, Saturday, September 12th, 2020. 4 months of waiting, dude. Waiting on parts, waiting on random shit. It is so wild for me to see the end product, man. Everything looks so sick.
Blower. I'm working on it. I don't want to like.
Nah, you're good. Take your time. We're good. We're getting there.
Go down?
Yeah. Yeah, we got fucking miles of space in the front.
Lowering?
I'm in.
Keep going. I'm in. Lower. Cool. We are in. Let's fucking go, baby.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Hey, look at the time. Look at the time, bro. Look at the time, bro.
5 minutes.
5 minutes, bro. Yeah, that looks so good,
Alright,
man.
I'll jerk it off.
Yes.
No, I can get.
Oh, fuck yes, dude.
So we'll call Monday and get the job.
Just a quick note, when you're gonna use RB25 trans on a R32, whether you made it to your RB20 or RB25, basically the things you're gonna need a custom cross member, you're gonna need a custom drive shaft, and if you're using the Neo one, if you opt to get a brand new one like I did, the Speedo actually isn't gonna work. This is the Neo speed sensor. You can take this shaft to work and you can put another front half on it. So one cool thing about this, when you buy it brand new, Nissan actually puts like shipping fluid in it. That way bare metal inside, it doesn't get all corroded and whatever. Before we put this plug on, we just wanted to go ahead and drain this so we didn't make a big ass mess everywhere. Dude, look at this shit, dude. This is a brand new ass trans in this car. Like, what? This is like one of my favorite parts about building cars, when you retrofit things, you get a plan to come together and it's fucking awesome. So there's the speed sensor for the R34 Neo Trans. Thanks to Brandon Burnham for spotting me on that, man. Damn, look at that brand new shit. This is how Nissan sends it to you. Everything's brand new. They got the little Trojan Magnum on there and everything. Crazy. So we just found out something kind of cool. So this is the Nismo trans mount. We just had to drill this oversized to accept the bolts that come with the RB25 transmission, so. Shout out to my plug, Victor, man. He did a little saucing up on the cross member. As you see, we got all 4 bolts in that bitch now. You already know what the play is, man. Alright, man, that about wraps it up for tonight. Everybody's tired. It's time to go to bed. Got the motor in, got the trans bolted up, man. Those are my goals for today, and as you always know, I crush my goals. It looks fucking beautiful. This was like a dream of mine. I can't even believe this shit's mine. I remember in high school, I used to watch Abba Moon videos and just dream of having a Skyline like that one day, and like now I literally have one. I'm so proud of how this is coming out. We're gonna continue to do solid ass work. Next will be get all the intercooler piping on, radiator and hoses, exhaust, fuel system. It's all just finishing work. They're gonna measure for the drive shaft this week and get that ordered. But besides that, man, this is the final stretch. Can't fucking wait to drive this thing. But thank you, 901 Garage, Thomas Yeager, Victor Slabushevich, however the fuck I pronounce it, Ian, Javon, thank y'all for coming out helping me film. Anyone who's helped me to get this far, bro, thank you so much. Oh, this is so satisfying.